skies of a different light. Why noise that keeps me up at night? I can't help but think back to you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a room tour. I hope you guys enjoy this room tour. Okay guys, this is a tour of room 2231, and this is an ocean view room. Here is the front door. Here we have life jackets and the safes. I do want to say that I was waiting for my luggage to do this because my battery was in the luggage, and in waiting I did use the room obviously to take a nap and stuff, so just beware. Another closet, and here's the hallway. This light here is for the bathroom, just so you know. And see, it's controlled from the outside. Here is the bathroom in an ocean view room. It's pretty standard. The toilet, the scary toilets, they come with shower gel and shampoo, so you only have to put in conditioner. Here is the rest of the room as we're coming in. You can control the temperature. It was really hot in here because the blinds were open. The curtains were open and it was really hot in here, so I put the temperature all the way down to this number here, and it got so cold. Here is my favorite area of all the ships, and it is the little vanity area. So here we have shelves where you can put whatever you want. Scan this QR code and see the menu for meal delivery. Here we have 2 water bottles. These water bottles are $4 each. I opened one in my desperate need of water and not wanting to go all the way down. Have more scan things. With COVID, they really want to reduce everything you touch. It's for you to put your stuff away. Okay. Nice little soft chair for you to do your makeup in this gorgeous, beautiful long mirror. More outlets. It's really a nice place to do your hair and makeup. And there's that culprit, that $4 water bottle. I'm currently watching the cam of Lido deck. This is currently what's going on in the Lido deck. There's also this TV here where they're going to be showing movies. Today they're going to show Encanto and Dune. We're hoping to catch Dune because I've never seen that one. And here we have the control for that, and we got more cabinets. Never run out of space. It's a little bit of a different room. I'm used to having an interior room. It's a coffee table and a sofa. This sofa turns into a bed for when there's more people in here, and here's the pull bed as well. There they have some towels for me to be able to take out in the sun. Don't lose these towels. They will cost you some money if you lose them. This couch does not look comfortable, but it's actually pretty nice and comfortable. The only thing I do have to say is that there is no outlets near the bed, which I am kind of disappointed in. I wish they would have. But here is the massive bed. Massive bed for me, and of course it looks all wrinkled because I already used it. Yeah. And here's the mat to unpack your stuff so the bed doesn't get dirty, which I'm going to be unpacking and getting my stuff. Look at these cool tags. I can leave the link below if you want these cool rubber tags, and then this is from the airport. All right. Woo! These curtains are really good. Here we are. There is the famous dome and the famous Queen Mary. Right there. Dome right there. This port is industrial, so you'll see a lot of cargo. But yeah, there's the parking garage right there. So we parked there, came across here, went through that, and came through the famous walkway where you can take a cool picture with the Carnival Radiance. And here is the beautiful water. It's just sparkling today, and it's pretty hot. Like, if you're gonna have this window open, you gotta have the AC cranking. But it is totally worth it. Totally worth it. This is the room. Again, hallway here with the closet, bathroom, thermostat, which I really liked. All right, thank you for watching the video. And why don't you go ahead and subscribe and you can see more videos by me. All right, see you next time. Bye.